On the shores of Gujarat, the great Somnath Temple stands tall, telling a story of courage and faith. Long ago, legends say that Chandra, the moon god, built the first temple to thank Lord Shiva for his kindness. The Shiv Puran says Somnath was the very first Jyotirlinga, a sacred light that came from the universe itself. For hundreds of years, people from faraway lands traveled across the seas to pray here, feeling its magical and peaceful energy. But in 1026 CE, Mahmud of Ghazni and his army attacked, taking away the temple's treasures. Yet, just like ocean waves return to the shore, Somnath was built again and again. Kings rebuilt it, invaders destroyed it, but it was never forgotten. In 1706, Aurangzeb tried to erase it, leaving the temple in ruins. But its spirit stayed strong. After India became independent, Sardar Patel promised to bring this holy place back to life. Today, its tall shikhar tells stories of its many rebirths. Inside, a bright eternal flame glows, showing the unbreakable spirit of faith. As the waves crash at Prabhaspatan, Somnath stands proudly, proving that belief is stronger than time. Its story is not just written in stone, it lives in the heart of India.